In this video, I will show with you step by step how to check flight state in real time. So friends, if you want to check your flight state in real time, follow me in this video. Go to Google, search for FlightAware. As you can see here, click the first website. This is for flight tracker. You will see different options. So friends, from flight center, choose the location. For example, you have Chicago here, you have airport like United States. Choose this one. So when you click on the Chicago, you have different things to check in. You have weather, you have maps. So just wait to load this page, air experience. You can see this is all details about your real-time flight states. So you can check it out from here, as you can see here. And then you will see all details for your flight where. So friends, just click on flight checkout and then you will see all the details of your checkout. Here you can schedule your times, you can check your states here, as you can see here on this map. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.